Welcome to the channel, friends. So this is going to be covering the factory reset on the Google Nest thermostat. This is the original one with the mirror display. And we're going to be covering how to factory reset the device or restart it. Now, this is handy when you want to reconnect to your Google Home app, because this is necessary in order to operate the device. But you can still factory reset the device by accessing the menu on the device itself, okay? So to do so, you would want to scroll down to the little gear icon for settings, then scroll down all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom of this, and you're going to see first restart. Now, restart is good if you need to make a new connection to your Google Home app, okay? You're going to have to restart to kind of reset this device. You don't necessarily need to reset it sometimes, but if you want to restart it, just to power it off and then back on, this is how you would do so. But if you want a complete factory reset, this is the next one right here. So the very next option will be factory reset. And this right here, if you wanted to remove your device from your Google Home app, you would do so, and then you would have to also hit a factory reset on this device here. And I'm not going to do so right now, but as you can see, if you proceed by selecting reset, it will do so. I'm going to hit back. But this will basically reset this device, and you will have to start all over again in the configuration process in connecting this smart thermostat to your Google Home app. So only do this if you really need to do it. Like I said, if you've removed the device from your Google Home app, you have to do that to reset this and go through all the prompts once again, all through that menu. But that there is the factory reset and the restart of this device here, which is the original Google Nest. I have other videos on all the other generations of Google Nest, but I also have other videos covering topics with this device right here. I have how to connect to the app, set up and install, manual override, 7-day programming, and lock and unlock, and other aspects like that. But I hope you guys got this information and took this information very well. This was Factory Reset. But let's go on to the other videos. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.